In 2024, the world of science witnessed some of the most exciting and groundbreaking discoveries that have left both experts and the public in awe. It's as if the realms of space, quantum physics, and energy technology have opened up new frontiers that were once thought impossible. What we saw this year could be the stepping stones to not only understanding the universe better but also solving some of the most pressing issues facing humanity. Imagine a reality where we've finally found proof of extraterrestrial life, solved the energy crisis, and perhaps even discovered a new planet right in our very own solar system. These aren't just far-off fantasies, they could be just around the corner, with research and discoveries that have shaken our understanding of science. One of the biggest scientific achievements of 2024 has been the continued success and revolutionary findings from the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. This incredible space observatory, which is considered a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, has been providing humanity with some of the most detailed and breathtaking images and data ever seen. The JWST is not just focused on providing beautiful pictures, it has been a tool for answering some of the most fundamental questions about the cosmos, questions we've been asking for centuries. As we've come to learn, the JWST's findings are not only pushing the boundaries of our knowledge but also forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the universe. In 2024, the JWST made another astonishing discovery, this time breaking records for the most distant galaxies ever observed. Two galaxies, Jade's GSZ 140 and Jade's GSZ 14d1, were confirmed to have existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang, far earlier than astronomers had previously believed possible. These galaxies are unlike any others we've observed before. They appear to be much larger and more structured than the early baby galaxies that scientists expected to see at such an early point in the universe's history. These discoveries have raised some profound questions. Was the universe actually older than we thought? Did galaxies form much faster than previously assumed? The scale and complexity of these galaxies suggest that cosmic evolution may have occurred at an extraordinary pace, forcing astronomers to reconsider the fundamental timeline of the universe. What makes these findings even more extraordinary is that the galaxies are not chaotic or disorganized, as one might expect from the early universe. Instead, they appear to be well-ordered, with high star formation rates, indicating a surprising degree of sophistication for galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These discoveries are forcing scientists to rethink the very foundations of cosmology and the process by which galaxies evolve. While we may not yet have definitive answers, these two distant galaxies are providing us with a treasure trove of data that could change everything we thought we knew about the early universe. As breathtaking as the JWST's insights into the distant past are, perhaps even more thrilling is its role in the search for life beyond Earth. For years, scientists have speculated about the possibility of extraterrestrial life, and the JWST was specifically designed to help answer this question. The telescope has given us an unprecedented ability to study exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, by analyzing their atmospheres, surface conditions, and even potential biomarkers that might suggest the presence of life. And in 2024, it seemed as though we were on the cusp of one of the most profound discoveries in human history. The exoplanet K2-18b, located 124 light-years away from Earth, has become one of the most promising candidates for harboring life. This planet is roughly 2.6 times the size of Earth and orbits a red dwarf star. What makes K2-18b so special is that it is believed to be a water world, meaning that its surface is likely covered by vast oceans. In 2024, the JWST's spectrometer analyzed the atmosphere of K2-18b and found not just water vapor and hydrogen but also three other chemicals that are often associated with biological activity: methane, carbon dioxide, and dimethyl sulfide, DMS. DMS is particularly significant because, on Earth, it is almost exclusively produced by phytoplankton in our oceans. This makes its presence on K2-18b a potential sign that life could exist on the planet. The combination of these biomarkers in the atmosphere of K2-18b is truly remarkable. While methane has been detected on other planets and moons in the solar system, its presence alongside carbon dioxide and DMS on K2-18b creates an intriguing scenario that suggests the possibility of life. The discovery of DMS is particularly exciting because it has only been found in large quantities on Earth in areas where biological processes are taking place. This discovery opens up a wealth of questions. Could K2-18b truly be home to alien life forms? What does this discovery mean for our search for life elsewhere in the universe? The hunt for extraterrestrial life has just taken a giant leap forward, and the findings from the JWST could be the first step toward answering one of humanity's most profound questions. While our eyes are turned toward the stars, 2024 also saw incredible advancements here on Earth, particularly in the realm of quantum computing. Quantum computing is one of the most revolutionary fields of modern technology, holding the potential to solve problems that are currently beyond the reach of traditional computers. In essence, quantum computers harness the strange and powerful properties of quantum mechanics, such as superposition and entanglement, to process information in ways that classical computers simply cannot. A quantum computer can hold multiple possibilities in its mind at once, performing calculations that would take current computers millennia to complete in just seconds or minutes. In 2024, significant strides were made in the development of quantum computers, bringing us closer to the day when they will be able to perform tasks that were previously thought to be impossible. One of the most exciting aspects of quantum computing is its potential to transform fields as diverse as medicine, artificial intelligence, and climate science. Quantum computers could model complex biological systems to help researchers develop new treatments for diseases, or they could be used to solve complex environmental problems, such as reducing carbon emissions or creating sustainable energy solutions. In essence, the possibilities are limitless. One of the most fascinating applications of quantum computing that we saw in 2024 was the use of AI and quantum technology to decode the complex communication patterns of sperm whales. These animals communicate with each other using sophisticated vocalizations that humans have struggled to understand for decades. But with the help of quantum computing and AI, researchers were able to analyze the patterns in the whales' sounds and begin to make sense of their language. This breakthrough is just a glimpse of the incredible potential of quantum computers and AI working together. Imagine a future where we can communicate with animals, understand their behaviors, and cooperate with nature in ways that could help preserve our planet. But it's not just quantum computing that's making waves in 2024. Another area where we saw groundbreaking progress was in the search for Planet 9, a hypothesized planet lurking at the edges of our solar system. For years, astronomers have suspected that there is a massive, unseen planet out beyond Neptune, causing strange gravitational anomalies in the outer reaches of our solar system. In 2024, new evidence came to light that could finally confirm the existence of Planet 9. Using more advanced observational technologies, researchers found that the orbits of objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies, are behaving in a way that suggests the presence of a massive planet, 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth. While astronomers have yet to detect the planet directly, the evidence is mounting. In 2024, astronomer Mike Brown and his team published new models that show how the peculiar orbits of Kuiper Belt objects can be explained by the gravitational pull of an unseen planet. Researchers are optimistic that the Vera Rubin Observatory, a new, ultra-sensitive telescope set to launch in the near future, will be able to detect Planet 9 in the coming years. If the planet exists, it would not only change our understanding of the solar system but could also provide new insights into the formation and evolution of planets. Imagine the impact that discovering a new planet in our solar system could have on our scientific understanding of space and our place in the universe. Another monumental breakthrough in 2024 was in the field of nuclear fusion technology. For decades, scientists have been trying to replicate the process that powers the sun, nuclear fusion, in a controlled environment on Earth. The promise of fusion energy has always been tantalizing, a nearly limitless, clean source of energy that could solve the world's energy problems and drastically reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. However, for years, nuclear fusion has remained an elusive goal. The challenge has always been that it requires more energy to initiate the fusion process than the fusion itself produces. But in 2024, scientists finally achieved a major milestone. For the first time, an experimental fusion reactor produced more energy than was required to kickstart the fusion process. This breakthrough means that we are closer than ever to unlocking the potential of fusion energy. Fusion energy offers numerous advantages over traditional energy sources. For one, it doesn't produce the harmful radioactive waste associated with nuclear fission, the type of nuclear energy used in today's reactors. Fusion reactions produce energy by fusing lightweight atoms like hydrogen, which produces much less waste and no long-lived radioactive materials. Moreover, the fuel for nuclear fusion, hydrogen isotopes like deuterium and tritium, is abundant and readily available from water, making fusion a potentially inexhaustible source of energy. The implications for the future of energy, space travel, and even propulsion technologies are immense. If fusion reactors can be scaled up to commercial size, we could have access to an almost unlimited source of clean energy, revolutionizing the way we power our world and enabling new possibilities for exploration beyond Earth. Looking beyond fusion, another profound scientific discovery in 2024 came from quantum physics itself. In a startling revelation, researchers discovered that quantum particles behave in ways that challenge everything we previously thought we knew about the laws of physics. For years, quantum mechanics has defied common sense. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, they can teleport across space through entanglement, and they seem to react differently depending on whether they are being observed. But in 2024, scientists discovered a phenomenon that could potentially rewrite our understanding of the quantum world. It was found that particles behave in even stranger ways than previously thought, showing unexpected shifts in their trajectories and challenging the foundations of classical physics. These breakthroughs in quantum physics force us to confront the question of what reality really is. If quantum particles can behave in ways that seem to defy the very fabric of space and time, what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? How much of what we experience as reality is truly real, and how much is simply an illusion shaped by the limitations of our perception? As quantum research progresses, we may be forced to rethink our entire understanding of reality itself. Looking back at the incredible discoveries of 2024, it's clear that this year will go down in history as a period of scientific revolution. From the edge of the universe to the depths of the ocean and the complexities of quantum physics, humanity is standing on the brink of breakthroughs that could fundamentally change the way we understand the world around us. These discoveries offer a glimpse into a future where the impossible becomes possible and where the mysteries of life, the universe, and everything in between are slowly being unraveled. The journey is just beginning, and the future holds untold possibilities that will continue to inspire and challenge us for generations to come.